Greetings from Dr. Ganesh Prabhu, Associate Professor from Department of Civil Engineering at Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology for the presentation on Instant 3D Modeling using Revit Architecture. So Revit Architecture, it's a very powerful tool which is used in construction industry. It is one of the BIM package also. Most of the AEC people, they are using Revit Architecture. It is provided by Autodesk. AEC means architect, engineer and contractor, and it helps the AEC people to visualize their construction project before their execution. So during planning stage itself, we can modify the construction project based on their client's needs. In this video, I am going to explain how to create instant 3D model using Revit Architecture. First, we have to double click on the Revit Architecture icon from your desktop. Then this window will open. Here we have 4 templates. First one is construction, second one is architectural, third one is structural, fourth one is mechanical. We have to choose architectural template because we are going to do instant modeling, instant 3D modeling. So we have to prefer architectural template only. After clicking on architecture template, this window will open. This is the Revit Architecture window. This one is called ribbon toolbar. It consists of all the commands in button form. This is the type selector, and this is the instant toolbar, and this is the project browser. This is the working area of Revit Architecture. This project browser contains all the project related works like floors, ceiling, elevation, etc. To customize the created project, the project browser is used to select the required one by double click on it. So this is the working area of Revit Architecture. Here we have 4 elevation icons. So we have to draw the building between these icons. First step is we have to set project units. This is the very primary step. In AutoCAD, before starting our project, we set the project units. Likewise, here also we have to fix the project units. For that, go to manage. First you have to go ribbon toolbar, then go to manage, then select the project units icon. This is the very primary step. Once you click on the button, the project unit window will open. Here we can change the project units like millimeters, meters, centimeters, whatever you want we can change. Next one is I am going to create new level. Already we have 2 levels in the systems. First one is level 1, second one is level 2. Level 1 is ground floor, floor level of ground floor. Level 2 is roof level of ground floor and floor level of first floor. Create new level. First go to project browser, then click on elevation. Here 4 elevations will be there: east, west, north, south. We can select any one of the elevation from the project browser. For this demo I am choosing east. So after click on the elevation, these 2 level 1 and level 2 will appear. So as I said, level 1 is the floor level of ground floor and level 2 is roof level of ground floor. So by double clicking on level 2, we can change the height of the floor. Usually we give 3000, that is 10 feet height. Then creating new level, go to ribbon toolbar, then select pick a line option. This is the pick a line icon. You have to select, then give offset height as 3000, then click on the level 2. The level 3 will be appeared in dotted line. Then when we click on level 2, the level 3 will be fixed. Likewise, we can create more number of levels. After creating level, we have to draw the wall. So creating wall, go to project browser, select floor plan, select level 1, then go to architecture, then go to ribbon toolbar, select wall icon, then we have to change the constraint. Here you have to enter 3000 because the wall height is 3000, so we have to enter 3000 instead of 8000. Then we have to change the location line. Here we have some constraints like center line, core center line, finish face interior, finish face exterior, core face interior, core face exterior. Based on our application, we can change the wall properties, that is wall layout. After we have to change the wall location. After drawn the plan, we have to fix the doors and windows. For that, again you have to go architecture, ribbon toolbar, then select doors and windows. First you fix doors, after that you can fix the windows. Once you click on the door, some variety of doors will appear. So which door you want, you have to select which door you want. Once you chosen the door, you have to select the size of the door, then give OK, then place it on the plan. Likewise, you have to do the same procedure for windows also. Once you click on window, same, the windows family will open. You have to select the required type of window. After that, we have to give the dimension of the window. Once we chosen the window, give OK, then we have to place it on the plan. Next step is we have to create floor. To creating floor, again we have to go to ribbon toolbar, then click on floor. Once you click on floor, the draw toolbar will open. Using draw toolbar like line, rectangle, arc, ellipse. So based on your requirement, you have to draw the profile of the floor in required shape. Once you completed the profile of your floor, the sketch will be appear in blue color. Next step is we have to create ceiling for the building. In Revit Architecture, we have two types of ceiling. First one is grid, second one is plain ceiling. For instant modeling, we no need to bother about type of ceiling. Mostly my recommendation is you can go with plain ceiling. If you want to show some grid appearance, you can choose grid ceilings. So for that, again we have to go to the ribbon toolbar, select ceiling, then you have to choose the plan. The boundary of the ceiling will appear. If it is OK, you can give tick mark. You just finish the sketch. Next step is we have to apply paint on the wall. For that, click on this default 3D view, convert your 2D drawing to 3D drawing, then go to architecture, select paint. This paint component window will appear. From this library, you have to select the required type of paint, required color of paint, whatever you want, or we can import from internet also. So based on the available material available in the library, we can choose whatever you want, then you just apply it on the 3D model. After finishing all these tasks, we have to place the camera. For that, we have to go to project browser, select level 1, then we have to place the camera in the required place, and we have to change the target height. Target height is nothing but is just our height of our eye from the ground level, that we have to change. Once we change the target height, the 3D view will appear like this. Then we have to render it. The rendering process means to convert system image to photographical image. So you have to render it. Once rendering is done, we can export it in the image format. I hope this video will be useful for all the practicing civil engineers as well as students of civil engineering. Thank you. All the best.